In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Microsoft Copilot in Power BI for the year 25. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step, ensuring you have everything you need to get Copilot up and running on your Power BI platform. First, you'll want to navigate to the Fabric Admin portal. This is the key starting point for managing all administrative settings in Power BI. It's typically accessed through your organization's main login page, where you can find shortcuts to various portal areas. Once inside the Fabric Admin portal, you'll see a navigation pane on the left side of your screen. This pane is essentially a roadmap, offering you easy access to different administrative functions. From here, locate and select the Tenant Settings option. Click on it to access the various configuration settings that dictate how your organization uses Power BI. Now scroll through the tenant settings until you arrive at the section labeled Copilot and Azure OpenAI Service. This area is specifically dedicated to managing features powered by Azure's AI capabilities, and Copilot is the collaboration tool you're looking to enable. In this section, you'll see a setting that might currently be toggled off. It's labeled Users can use Copilot and other features powered by Azure OpenAI. What you'll need to do is simply toggle this option to enabled. This action will activate the feature and allow your users to start utilizing Copilot's assistive capabilities. Once you have enabled the feature, the next decision involves choosing precisely who within your organization can access Copilot. This step is crucial for ensuring that the tool is available to the right team members, while perhaps limiting its access to others if necessary. You'll find this setting under the Applies to field. You have the flexibility here. You can choose to make Copilot available for the entire organization or restrict its use to specific security groups. If you opt for the latter, make sure that you clearly specify which groups should have access. After you've made your selections, take a moment to review all the settings to ensure you're satisfied with the configurations. When everything looks right, it's time for the final step. Simply click on Apply to save all your changes. This confirmation step is essential to make sure that your modifications take effect securely across your Power BI environment. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled Microsoft Copilot in Power BI for your organization. By following these straightforward steps, you've empowered your team to leverage the enhanced capabilities that Copilot offers. It's a great tool for boosting productivity and efficiency in analyzing data. Thank you for watching, and enjoy exploring what Copilot can do for your business insights.